Good evening, friends and fellow citizens. Did you still remember the 1987 Constitution Act says that no law should be passed? I came to the highest mountain, down to the deepest sea. From north to south, yes, from east to west. I'm gonna get out on my golden cocoon and I step my footprints on the moon. By the way, my name is Emma Hernandez, all the way from the pilgrimage city of Las Piñas. But tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name to one of the most precious space in Philippine industry ever been produced. Nasa inyo na pong harapan sa binibining era Madrigal. Maraming salamat po.
The diversity of a human personality begins with love and harmony. A precious and glorious evening to each and every one of us. I'm Angel Ann Merritt, 15 years of age, second-year high school student at Bacoor National High School. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, please do allow me to stand by the name of Miss, ang babaeng nagmula sa puso. Saan ka man naroroon hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Nagbalik upang magreyna ng karagatan. Muli siyang nagbalik upang sabing ikaw ang lahat sa akin. This is your one and only ang babaeng nagpatibok sa natutulog at batong puso ni Mr. Raymart Santiago. Nasa inyong harapan, si Mrs. Claudine Barreto Santiago. Na nagsasabing, bakla man ho ako sa inyong mga paningin, bakit di niyo ako subukang mahalin? Pag di kayo naligayahan sa aking piling, sa kanyo ako lubusang limutin. Magandang gabi po.
I've always believed the gems cannot be polished without a friction, and a man couldn't be perfected without a trial. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Drew Alexis Bedzada Merritt, and I am proud to stand by the name of the first Filipina who posed in Playboy magazine, the sexy, the luring, the one and only Miss Tetchi of Bayani. Thank you.
The diversity of a human personality
should be the cause of love and harmonies. When it's blended to many notes to form a perfect chords. Ladies, gentlemen in between, my name is Iya Francine Fernandez, at 20 years old of age. I came from a love and friendship, the most basic essence of life, Manila, Philippines. But tonight, do allow me stand your bad name, ang babaeng minsan nang nakasabay sa inyong tanghalian at sumayaw ng wawawi. At minsan nang sumabay sa kembutang boom tarat tarat. The one and only your VG mix Miss Iya Villanian. Na nag-iiwan ng isang katagang, di man po ko manalo sa patipalak na ito, ang inyo pong masigabong palakpakan at hiyawang mga tiga Cavite, ang tunay na tropeyo. Tropeyo na aking uwi sa aming lungsod, sa lungsod ng Manila. Maraming salamat po.
The diversity of human personality begin with love and harmony. My name is Rodeline Andrea Montemayor, and tonight, allow us to invite rin ang babaeng umukit, humulma, at lumilok sa puso ni Mr. Sergio Santibáñez. Ito po si Binibini Marian Rivera. Mga kalalakihan at mga kababaihan, andito ako sa inyong harapan upang magreyna ng karagatan. Ang kalabang ko'y si Dugong, ang kalabang ko'y si Marina. Ito po ang Binibini Marian Rivera. Bago ako po lisanin ng sulok ni tabladong ito, na nag-iiwan po ko sa inyong katagang, manalo man o matalo sa gabing ito, ay aking lubos na tatanggapin, sapagkat ang inyong pong hiyawan at palakpakan ang magsisilbing tropeyo. Tropeyo na aking po ipagmamalak at iuuwi sa aking pong pinanggalingan, ang lungsod na Romblon. Thank you and good evening. Sir, Madam, I love you all. Thank you.
Maria Bonita, estupenda, kirei, maganda. Whatever may wish to say, that all talks about beauty, and that beauty is standing in front of you. These pretty young ladies is standing in front of you is a 21 years old stunner that hails from General Trias, Cavite. Standing by the name, very alluring to captivating, at ang babae sa likod ni Kamandag, Miss Ines Veneracion.
Thank you so much, all candidates.